From the beginning of our establishment of diplomatic relations in 1980 until the resumption of diplomatic relations in 2019, Kiribati and China have continued to forge a friendship rooted in mutual respect, cooperation, and a commitment to a brighter and prosperous future. China's support to Kiribati has been instrumental in fostering economic development, enhancing education, building capacity and resilience, and improving infrastructure. The collaborative efforts between our nations have not only strengthened the bilateral relationships, but also contributed significantly to the well-being and prosperity of the people of Kiribati. In the face of global challenges, China has been a steadfast ally, offering support and assistance that goes beyond borders.